Hey, my name's Taylor. I've been teaching guitar full-time since 2012, and I'm going to be your personal trainer for developing your guitar hands, building the muscles, the reflexes, and the confidence you need to play guitar mindlessly. No stress, no guesswork, just follow along. I've put together a step-by-step series of progressive play-along exercises designed to be kind of like a supplemental workbook of guitar challenges to pair with the other great channels on YouTube. Think about them like a home yoga video, but for your fingers. Here's what we've covered so far. In level 1, we work on controlling your individual fingers by doing a bunch of spider crawls. We learn 8 different open chords and practice switching between the most common pairs of chords. We learn what a power chord is and work on moving it around the neck. We also build up your strumming speed by working on 9 basic strum patterns. In level 2, I introduce a pentatonic scale and show you a very nice place to play it. We spice up your sound a little bit by learning some dominant 7th chords. We work on switching chords by doing longer chord progressions instead of pairs. We start working on some syncopated strum patterns to get you used to doing a bunch of up strums. And we start learning some popular riffs. In level 3, we expand your creative palette by showing you some longer pentatonic scale shapes. We smooth out your playing by practicing some hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides, and bends. We boost your endurance by playing through a 12-bar blues in a few different keys. And we reinforce the windshield wiper strumming technique with some accented strum patterns. And if you're all caught up with levels 1 through 3, here's what's coming up in level 4. We're stepping things up with some alternate picking to get you playing even faster. We're gonna learn about movable scale shapes so you can jam over backing tracks in every key. We're gonna start getting into bar chords, everybody's favorite. And we're gonna learn some funky strumming patterns to build up your rhythmic chops. We'll even learn some iconic riffs like Iron Man, Beat It, Back in Black, and Smells Like Teen Spirit. You'll want to work on one level before moving on to the next, but it's designed so that you can bounce around the exercises within each level. If you're not sure how to practice effectively, I've got you covered with some 15 to 20 minute guided practice sessions so that you can finish level 1 in 8 weeks. Need to work on your solos? We've got some backing tracks to help you improve your improv skills. Also, be on the lookout for some Q&A live streams to get all your guitar questions answered. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of learning guitar and start building your skills step by step, then just hit that subscribe button and start playing along today. Let's get better together. See you in the next video.